Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Sandra G. If you're new here, welcome to all my returning subbies. You don't know your girl feel about you. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, put your notification bell on so you'll be in the know when your girl upload new content. In today's video, guys, I am going to be doing some updates on my walls in the home as well as doing a unboxing. So today's unboxing, guys, I have a brand new D100 Wet and Dry Vacuum. I also have a special discount code for you guys. So if you're interested in this vacuum, check the link in the description box below. And while you're at it, I also give you a little update on the wall projects I've been working on. The items I receive with the vacuum is a extra cleaning pad. It also came with a filter. I also receive a bottle of solution as well. So when I'm cleaning, I can use that solution in the one system container that came with it as well. So this container is kind of a bit unique. It sort of have like two parts on it. One part to hold the clean water and another section to hold the dirty water after you're done cleaning. Another feature that I love with this wet and dry vacuum as well is the handle. Now, if you are vacuuming, and I've been using it for a while now. So if you're using this vacuum and you want to reach areas like under a bed, the handle is flexible. And I'm going to show you guys how flexible it is throughout the video while I'm using it. It also came with the charging port as well. Now, this area is what I love. You can take this area out and clean it, as well as you can put it back on the charging system for it to recharge. So I really love that as well. I'm also showing you guys like the features that's on it for you guys to have a better understanding of how this D100 Wet and Dry Vacuum works. I am going to be cleaning up the area. I'm going to be doing some cleaning behind me. So if you guys look at my background, you will see that I've been doing some updates on this accent wall, and I've been wanting to refresh the space for a minute now with a cleaner look and more modern look as well. And I think it's finally coming together, and I'll be sharing more on that project soon. But let me know if you guys are liking how it's looking so far. So I'm going to be cleaning with this vacuum. I'm going to be doing some repair on the wall, patching, and then I'll be doing some sanding down. So you guys are going to be seeing where the area is going to be a bit messy, and then I am going to be cleaning up the area for you guys to see. I'm also going to get some water into this container, and I am going to put it on the vacuum back, and then we are going to get down with our cleaning. So let's get down to the real test of it all now. So I'm trying it on dust and then on a wet spill. So I'm going to be doing it on the dust in this area, and then I'm going to be doing it on some wet spill that I have in the kitchen as well. I have a spill where I have made some pasta, and I had some spill on the floor. So I am going to show you guys how it works, cleaning up the dust as well as cleaning up the spill that I had in the kitchen on the floor as well. The suction is perfect. When I tell you the suction is perfect, it's really strong, and it handles both types of mess really well. And again, don't forget, as I said, to check the link down below. If you want to grab this for yourself, my discount code is down below, and it's available for you guys to use it. And I've linked it in the description box below. So guys, let me tell you, this wet and dry D100 vacuum, it is a solid tool for everyday cleanups. When I tell you I've been enjoying this item in my home, I barely use a vacuum these days, meaning the other vacuums I have, unless I'm cleaning up like on my sofa and stuff like that, I don't really use my other vacuum. I mainly use this Wet and Dry D100. It is solid. It's very good, ideal for everyday cleanup. Between this and the wall project, I feel like my space is finally coming together. Another feature I love about this D100 is cleaning in tight spaces. For example, if you guys can see right where my coffee bar is, I had some dust that I gathered and put it in that corner. When I tell you, this D100 picked up every remnants off the floor, like every last piece. I didn't have to go back over it with a broom. I didn't have to go back over it with anything and try to get anything up off the floor. You guys are seeing it for yourself, where you guys are seeing that every single thing came up off the floor without me have to go down on the floor and do anything. Here's a spill I was telling you guys about earlier. So I was sharing some dinner for my daughter and she had a spill. So I just decided, you know what? Let me just go ahead, test it, use it there to see if it works the way I anticipated. It did not disappoint me, not one bit. I am super happy that I have this D100 in my space. It is something that is going to be here in my space for a long time to come. And I am going to tell you guys, go and get this item. As I said, I've been using it for a while now, so I literally can tell you guys that this is a 10 out of 10. 1,000 out of 1,000. And I'm not saying that because I want you guys to go and get it. No, I'm telling you because that's the honest truth. You guys already know me. I am not going to bring something to you guys unless I know for a fact that it works, that the quality is top tier. So as I said before, I'm going to be leaving the link down below. You guys can go and check it out for yourself. You guys can go and purchase yours. Use my discount code to get it for your home. Tell me thanks later on. You guys see that? You guys are seeing all the mess that I got up. You guys are seeing the water and all of that. So what I'm going to be doing, I have another portion of the wall that I'm going to be doing as well. I'm going to just go ahead and clean up that area as well for you guys to see, because I need you guys to take everything in, the way how this D100 functions, the way how it can be an asset in your home. So as I was telling you guys earlier that I did some work, but just look at this, guys. Look at what I'm trying to demonstrate to you guys. Look at this. Look at how the D100 is cleaning. Look at the baseboard. Look how close. See? Perfect. You have this in your home. You don't need anything else. I'm also going to be using it to kind of vacuum the carpet as well. So you guys can see that it can also be used on your carpet. Trust me, this item will not disappoint you. It will be perfect for your home, your apartment. It doesn't matter the type of living style that you have. It will be perfect for your home. If you have kids, this would be a great asset. If you have dogs, this would be a great asset, because a lot of the times we want to get things done, but then we really don't want to be bothered with doing so much extra. I did went down and tried to clean off the baseboard itself, because we all know that would be impossible for the vacuum to get up on the baseboard on the side of the wall to do that cleaning. But I did brush everything off on the floor. And as you guys can see, this thing is a 1,000 out of 1,000, a 10 out of 10, however you want to see it. So guys, please go over and check them out. You guys can see as well that I did complete the chair rails on the wall. Isn't those beautiful? Please leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think about this vacuum. I've showed you guys how you can get this and use it in your space. Trust me. Run over. Don't walk. Don't drag. Please run over. Take a look at this vacuum. If you are in the shopping market trying to get a wet and dry vacuum, this is the perfect wet and dry vacuum for your home. You get extra parts, as well as this vacuum is a solid piece. Please let me know your thoughts down below about the vacuum, about what you have seen in this video. Let me know if this is an item that you would go and get for your own home. I can attest that it is a great cleaning vacuum. Again, this D100 is top notch. It is top notch. I am going to hold on dearly to this one, take care of it so that I can enjoy it more in this home. It has made cleaning a breeze for me and I'm totally enjoying it. So as you guys can see, the vacuum is going back into the charging portal and I am also setting it to clean itself. So see that, guys? Look at that. Look at that. So yes. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.